Good morning from Brașov, Romania again. Yesterday I was opening up and cleaning the oil pump. Today I wanna see how I will drive this oil pump and how I will drive this magneto on this particular oil pump. So what I could already see is that there is a height difference from the shaft to the top. I will measure it also from one pump to another. I guess this magneto is for old steel pumps. This is the magneto shaft that was not fitting the pump shaft, so I had to grind a little bit off because I was measuring and in the base the dimension was good, but here it probably went larger from using it 80 years or how much it was used. So now I have a very nice fitting here, tight and good. The magneto is driven like this. Yeah. Now I wanna see how I fix the magneto on the pump and if this shaft is not too long for our fitman over here. So first I was checking the height of this bushing, if this can get fixed here and then fixed with this flange. This fits, so it's very good, I don't have to build another one. Then the length of this fits, so it's also very good. But what I wanted to see, I only got these nuts provided, no screws, so I designed some special screws over here that will let me have an adjustable advance on the magneto. I still have to find out what this does. It looks like a carburetor clamp to me, but it came with a magneto. I cannot see any place for it to. This probably holds the cables on the frame, so I don't know if I can use it. And I also cannot understand where this adjustment clamp will come for the magneto and how it's getting fitted on it, but that's a later discussion. And I could also see these screws have two little springs, and I got one big spring, so I will cut it in two and use it for these screws. Regarding driving the newer pump, this, as much as we can see, is okay, but I was thinking to modify this cam and make a slot to fit this, but a gentleman named Terry gave me a good idea that probably I can press the shaft out and replace it with a late chief one. I don't know if they have the same size in the cam. and use that one so I don't destroy a good new original part. So that will be next on adapting this pump. I will stop here with the oil pump and the magneto mounting. I'm now sure they will fit. Next thing would be to polish the oil pump, demount it again, and polish the magneto to have it in the same surface with the oil pump. So the magneto is now polished. I have grinded a little bit. This ugly surface is on the side of this pump and the cap. Now it will be again another good cleaning of them. And later I will have to clear coat all aluminium parts, so I cannot mount anything for good now. There are still some little spots that I couldn't make very good, but I will see in the future. Maybe I find some small brushes to do that, or at least to make this a little bit nicer. But in general I am very satisfied with the result. The flange is also polished. The cap is also quite okay, but I didn't clean it yet very good. So that's it with the magneto and the pump for the moment. Have a nice evening.